Hey guys, press the subscribe button for more updates.
Guys, what's up? This is Nikhil Nagdev and I am back here with another video. In this video, we are going to make a cardboard Rubik's Cube stand. First, we have to take a 8 cm by 8 cm cardboard square. Then draw its diagonals. Diagonals are nothing but a line which joins two opposite vertices of a square. Now, once you have drawn the diagonal, you would see a X on the cardboard. Then place the scale like this, from 0 on the center of the X and then 4 on the edge. Mark on 2 cm. Mark a dot on 2 cm. Repeat this process for all the sides. The dots may look somehow like this. Then connect the dots like this. It may look somehow like this. Then we have to cut these 4 lines using a cutter. We have to cut all the 4 sides just like this. Once you have cut all the 4 sides, we have to cut one of these diagonal of a small square around. Now we have 2 options ahead. If we want the design here directly on the cardboard, you have to take a paper like this, cut it in this shape and write whatever we want on the cube stand and paste it here. Then this is the first option we have, or either we continue on. Second option I will tell you afterwards. So once we have cut it like this, I will paste it here only. Apply the gum on all 4 sides. And paste it. And then the cutted side, we have to fold these corners. Then the applied gum side down and it will stick like this. Hold this 2 to 3 minutes and wait for it to dry. Our cube stand is ready now. Coming towards the second option, we will make the cardboard stand like this and then make a paper stand on which we have written. For watching how to make the paper Rubik's Cube stand, watch my other video. We can also place the paper stand on it, just like this. But then this is a better option. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like down and don't forget to share.